In this video, we'll visit the SketchUp extension warehouse and see how to search and install an extension, including install an extension when you didn't get it from the warehouse. Click on the extension warehouse icon and it will take you here. An extension is just another tool that you can download and add to the tools that natively come with SketchUp. If you scroll down, you'll see some featured extensions and then the most popular extension developers. Most extensions at the warehouse are done by third-party developers, and a lot are free, but some have a cost. You can search by category. For instance, if you want extensions that are relevant to 3D printing, click on 3D printing. An especially useful 3D printing extension is the SketchUp STL. When you install that, you can export your SketchUp model as an STL file. Click on Install. You might get a message like this, I'm going to proceed anyhow, and this is what you'll get. It's asking permission to install it, and now it's telling me it has been successfully installed. You can do a search for an extension too. For example, the Bezier curve. When you click on an extensions page, there will be some information about it and how to use it. And I'm going to install it. Getting this message again, although I have not had problems using the extensions to date. Now go to the Extension Manager, and this will show you all the tools that you have downloaded. And if you want to disable one for any reason, all you do is click. Now, what if you obtain an extension from somewhere else? For example, SketchUcation.com is a great source for extensions, and a lot of companies have their own extensions that they've written on their websites. Well, at the Extension Manager, click on Install Extension, navigate to it, and that installs it. If I reopen the box, there it is. Now, how to find the extensions? This is a bit of a Where's Waldo search because they're all in different places. For example, some are at the bottom of the Tools menu. This is an extension that I downloaded a while ago. Solid Inspector is great to help make solids in SketchUp. If you go to View Toolbars, sometimes the tool will show up here and it's unchecked. I downloaded this recently. If I check it, now the tool just appeared. Sometimes it will appear in a context menu or under the Draw menu. There's the Bezier Curves extension I just installed. If I click on that, now you see I can make those kinds of curves. And that is how you use the SketchUp extension warehouse.